Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or if you have surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. For an up-to-date list of available machines, please visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. In addition to what is listed on our website, we also have 50 plus additional machines being processed. So check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that all of our machines are located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to do a walkthrough of an Altendorf C-90 sliding table saw. We are always seeking clean, low-hour machines that are well maintained, and this is one of them. I mean, it doesn't. It's really obvious when you look at this machine that you can tell that it is, it's been used sparingly. Let's face it. I mean, you just don't find machines in this condition, from how little small amount of scratch marks there are on the top to how complete it is. I mean, you could just tell that it has been very well cared for. It is a 3,200 millimeter slide, so that's 126 inches of cutting length, 52-inch rib fence. On the front here on the floor, you do have a shoe that's in the front. Material support is center, and the third fence that you see there is your diagonal fence. I can't stress enough how clean this machine is. The ways on this machine are in excellent condition. Just about what you would expect from a single owner, single user machine. It's real smooth from in to out feed. It's a 3,200 millimeter slide. So if we take the slide and we push it all the way to the outfeed side, it's going to want to stop pretty much mid-blade for safety. If you take your thumb and you push this in right here, you're going to gain about another foot of space so you can work on your blades. The first blade is your scoring blade, of course. It's a 1 horsepower motor. Your second blade is powered by its own 7.5 horsepower motor. If I were to come in here and try and operate the saw, it will not operate with it pushed all the way back. To get it to operate, you actually do have to slide it forward past where you heard the click. You do have your riving knife along with your blade guard and built-in dust extraction. The machine does raise and lower really nicely. Kind of expect it again, but you never know. And we test the machines pretty thoroughly here throughout their range. Go ahead and turn that main motor on. Turn the scoring on. Emergency stop. Your fence locks like it's supposed to. Nice and tight. You obviously have your material pusher. This is your factory one. And again, if you look, it's just in good shape as well. I'm surprised it's still here. Usually if there is one, it's a replacement. Again, here's the operator side. Clean, clean, clean. Even the tabletop, I mean, again, there's not scratches, and the grind marks are very well pronounced. A lot of times you'll see a wear mark where they've cut 8-inch board after 8-inch board. That is not true in this case. Again, the ways are in excellent plus condition. There's another thing to look at when you look at a machine to qualify condition, and that's just look in the inside. Look how clean it is in the inside. If a machine is run 8 hours a day, what happens is it's going to heat up. I mean, those motors are going to hit max temperature, and the paint on those motors and the surrounding parts will show that. If not, they will shed their paint. Again, a really nice example of an Altendorf C-90 sliding table saw. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.